This is the NOKIA X10, and today we would like to demonstrate how you can share the Wi-Fi network password on this device. So the first objective that we need to address is to somehow get to the Wi-Fi settings. The quickest and most universal way to do that is by opening the notification panel by swiping downwards from the status bar, then locate the Wi-Fi shortcut that looks exactly like so. Tap and hold on it. After that, choose what network you would like to share the password of. I'll go with the one that I'm currently connected to. Tap on it. At the following network details page, click on the share icon over here, and as you can see, the respective Wi-Fi password gets revealed. So you can either manually enter it or also scan the provided QR codes in order to get any device automatically connected to it. So that will be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.